Hello there. Today I'll be demoing the best firework in my state. I bet you guys aren't ready to see this. This thing is so dangerous. No consumers can get this. Look at that. So dangerous. Comes in a 50 pack. They retail for about $10 million. Yeah. So let's get testing. Okay guys, I got one of the most dangerous fireworks. Dang! Worth every penny. Dang! Man, this crap is the best you can get. And it is by TNT. Now for the grand finale, we'll be wasting about $200. Sheesh! Alrighty. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.